Hello dear students, welcome in online classes. Today we will talk about the second chapter, population dynamics. In this chapter we will discuss about the population distribution in the world. Causes sometimes few places are densely populated and few are sparsely populated. So first we will talk about the introduction. Population dynamics is similar to the distribution of population. It is static, not stable, depending on the availability of the resources and facilities for the population. It is static, I said, means ever changing. It is not stable due to availability of the resources and the facilities available for the human being. Nowadays we are working for our facilities. So firstly we focus on the facilities, then we will plan our homes or residences. Next one is the population distribution of in the world. Distribution of population in the world. According to 2018 census report, approx 16% population is staying or living in Asia, and in 40% whole world. Approx 60% in Asia and 40% in the whole world. Because population in Asia, most populous countries, China also in Asia and India also in Asia. Climatic conditions are too much favorable for the population growth. Now, approx we have, according to this census data, 7.35 billion population or people all over the world. This much population we have. Day by day, population increasing. So, the global population index is increasing. Okay? Every people in the world have capacity to give birth or plan for their families. The population, global population, due to medical facilities, better living conditions, and the increase of the agricultural productivity, world population is increasing. If all these medical facilities, population depends on medical facilities, agricultural production, all over the world where agricultural production is good, you will notice mostly peoples are living in that region. Next one is the factors affecting the distribution of population. First one is fertility rate or birth rate. Second one, death rate or mortality rate. And last one is immigration and migration. The fertility rate or birth rate factors affect the growth of population in the biggest way. The fertility or birth rate. The fertility rate is typically measured by the number of children per one woman of the childbearing age. It is per child per one woman. We are calculating this per 1,000 birth. It is said birth rate means in a year birth of 1,000 people or person in a year. Next one is death rate. Same as in the same way. Here we talk about the birth. Here we talk about the death or mortality rate. It is same as one death rate refers to the number of death per 1,000 people in a given geographical area per year. Per 1,000 people, how many people are dying? It is the birth or death. Dying means death rate. Birth means birth rate. Third, two factors about the population dynamics or population density: immigration and emigration. Immigration refers to cross-border migration in act of people moving from one country to another country. One country to another country. It is immigration. Next one is emigration. In the same country, if students or peoples are moving from a particular place inside a country, means in the same country, means we can say migration of state migration in the premises of a country. But immigration is from one country to another country. People are crossing the borders, staying there for their livelihood. But in immigration, people are migrating for a fixed time period. When they are completing their job period or time, they can again come back. Immigration may be permanent, but immigration is mostly temporary. People are moving for their jobs, like the industrial hubs of India. Mostly people are migrating from the backward area of the country to find out their livelihood or in the search of jobs or opportunities. Okay. Now, after this, we will talk in next class about the density of population in the world. Density of the population in the world. After this, I expect that you all understood all these things. Okay? Thank you.